We are at Sidco Exhibition and Convention Center at Navi Mumbai. Today, Boiler India, the second edition of Boiler India, is going to get started right now. This is an international exhibition where more than 300 exhibitors are participating. There are 300 seminars. Knowledge sessions are planned. More than 2,000 delegates have registered here. So this exhibition is going to show latest technologies and innovations from the boiler steam industry. As you may be aware, Maharashtra is one of the largest boiler market in Asia. Here today, Chief Minister of Maharashtra Eknath Shinde will be inaugurating the exhibition. Along with that, the user awards for boilers in Maharashtra will be also given. Boiler India Expo is organized by Orangebeak Technologies, have been successfully did the promotions, and we are able to see the hype here at Sidco Exhibition Center at Navi Mumbai.